Shop.
Ṣẹ́rí ń tán pè ní kádàrá bọ́lọ̀ bá ṣe kọ́ wá látọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀. Yóò lè díẹ̀ kí ọ̀kan lówó tójú bọ̀ o.
Gbogbo ọ̀nà lèmi ọmọ lára àbẹ̀fẹ́ ni màá fi rí pé mo yí gbogbo ègún burúkú tó ń bá ń jà nínú ìdílé yìí padà.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ń jọ mí lójú o.
Lọ́nà wo?
Ọlámídé lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ọmọ gidi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Òun sọ̀rọ̀ bí ẹni tí nǹkan ṣe, ó fẹ́ yí nǹkan pàjọ́ ta ni ẹ kí ló kàn inú ẹ̀? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ kù ìdílé mi ni?
Mo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ ká tó máa lọ àṣàlà ìlú ó láti mú kan lọ́nà ẹ̀yìn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta.
Wọ́n Ọlámídé lọ wá ọmọ mi fún mi tó o bá lọ wá ọmọ mi fún mi gbádùn gbàdúrà gbowó àgbàdo lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Ìgbà wo ló máa release ẹ̀ kó wá bá tiẹ̀ lọ?
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìkìlọ̀ tí mo ṣe látẹ̀yìnwá kò yí padà o nítorí tí wọ́n bá lè pín yàpẹ́rẹ́ ohun tó tẹ̀yìn ẹ̀rọ kò ní dá o.
Mami, ṣé mo pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn níṣẹ́ ló dàbí pé wọ́n bu nǹkan tútù sí mi lọ́kàn ọkàn mi dẹ̀ balẹ̀.
Tó bá fi lè jẹ́wọ́ àbí kó sọ fún ẹ̀dá àlàyé kankan kó lè fún wa.
Okay.
Olúwa wa.
Are you blind?
Ẹ gbà mí. Bàbá olórí burúkú. Jésù. Ṣe ni Jésù. Jesus loves you. God bless you. Elizabeth.
Ìwọ odidi ọmọ G.O. General Overseer. Wo nǹkan tó wọ̀.
Kí ló ń ṣe pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ tí Jésù Olùgbàlà ti kọ̀ sílẹ̀?
Àwọn ìrántí rẹ̀ ni Jésù àkọsílẹ̀.
Arábìnrin. O ti fi nọ́tírò rẹ̀ sùn. Mo ń gba káṣà. Gbogbo information ó wà lórí internet. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ tún lè follow mi lórí Instagram.
Kẹ́ tó ní ọkọ ẹ gbàdúrà sí kẹ́ gbààwẹ̀ sí ṣùgbọ́n ìròjú àti gbààwẹ̀ àtàdúrà ló máa ń ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ibẹ̀ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ti máa ń forí gbé nǹkan tí ò yẹ kó gbé.
Praise the living God! Ẹ̀yin Olúwa lógo! As a bona fide child of grace, èmi ni òun ṣe sí.
Gbogbo ẹnu rírun ẹ̀ sọ̀n jàre.
No, I can't believe this. Ẹ dúró náà. Ká ní Dickness Felicia. Wọ́n ṣe léṣe tó lọ kú tàbí nǹkan burúkú ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Kí ni ẹ fẹ́ kí wọ́n máa sọ nípa church wa? Wọ́n ní àwa ìtọ́ àwa ní church yẹn tá jẹ́ member church gangsters ni wa.
Èmi ni mo wà qualified for position.
Ẹ̀yin yín báyìí ni mo wà dìgbì.
Ẹmu wáìnì.
Hallelujah.
Time to go, Sha. My girlfriend is coming.
Oh, me go for girlfriend the same day appointment as myself. What the hell? What is this nonsense?
7 minutes go. You need to go now.
You need to go rubbish, you know. What the hell? Listen, who can the master was in Yama? Like, any problem, no boy?
She's not one ordinary girlfriend, my fiancée.
Excellent fucking wife.
That's what I'm saying. You need to go.
Bullshit.
choices. Choices, choices.
Babe!
Yeah?
Your phone is ringing.
Oh, no, don't pick up. Babe, are you going to work?
No, I'm going to the club. It's so funny. Where's Cynthia?
Babe, I knew you were going to ask. Cynthia is just, a colleague.
Now she's a colleague, right? You and Latasha were just friends, right? And to become more. And I'm receiving messages on my social media. Oh, you better caution your man. She believes now she might end up near Abby.
Come on, this is just a friend. And moreover, isn't your man a fine man? You should expect all the girls to be all over me. Look at all this. Come on.
Come on, Fitz.
Come on, I'm only joking, but isn't your man a fine man? Come on.
You're such a narcissist. Well, I'll see you later.
Babe, I'm only joking.
It's crazy where we are. Everybody's doing what they them want to. So there's like we.
Babe, hold on, chef.
Oh, I'm going to give it again.
You want to give that shimmy?
Funny. Holding this finger. Oh, I'll let you know when it's ready.
Are you sure? I can't help you. Babe, you need to see this stuff I'm working on.
I'm sure it's good.
It's amazing.
Always. Oh, babe.
Yeah?
It's a lot to move your bed, so.
Oh.
It's not that serious. It's about going on. Kissing mommy and daddy. I know it will be kind of hard, but yeah, I'm not here. And I think it's that time I just go and sit down.
Well, you've been talking about going to see mom and you've got some unresolved issues with her. And I think if you really, really want to go, you should.
Well, it's not actually my mom, but my dad. My dad is a disciplinarian. Mr. Barakat. I don't know how to face him, but it will be so rude trying to be mama. She will be lucky.
Well, babe, I think you should forget about that. Dad is going to simmer down. Trust me. You will?
Simmer?
Yeah.
Mr. Barakat. Simmer down. If any of you get pregnant, you better leave this house. I don't want no shameless baby in this house.
You serious?
Mr. Barakat, you can't teach an old dog a new trick. Not my dad.
That's crazy. So, babe, did you know? I told you, let me help you. You said no. It's all good. But stay smells so good, though.
Auntie me, my wife is shaming about.
I don't even understand why you're going there, Seth. It's necessary now. Do they even know how you survive in school?
Auntie me, I understand. But could you cut Tara will be washed alone? And me going there is just to satisfy my own conscience.
Okay.
But wait, to think of it, you never told me why you left the house.
Please, don't go there. Don't go there. Not even right now, not even forever.
Please don't even go there. I just don't want to talk about that one right now.
I understand you. What have it by Daddy let me daddy crew on lane? All because we disagreed on what course I want to do. And Mommy just sat down there while I packed all my stuff and left that house.
Mommy ló fẹ́ nu pè bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò lè yé. Àwa la mọ̀. Anyway, Mommy ò lè sọ anything. To bá insist kò fẹ́ lọ, it's okay. You're an adult. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní òun ṣọmọdé, I can't hold you down, but to bá ṣáàdì tó ṣe jẹ́, let me know. Kí ló ní lé jàre bí ń pa mí?
Mi ò ní kankan lé o. Oúnjẹ tẹ̀gbé wá lè mú torí mo ń jẹ kí n tán.
Ọ̀lẹ ni. Baby mi náà ló ṣe àparọ́. Anyway, kò sí problem. Since there's nothing for me to eat, mi ò jẹ jọ, mi ò jẹ. Anyway, since tó ló ń jẹ lé, kò sí nǹkan tá a ṣe máa ṣe mọ́. I have job in 2 hours, and you know it takes me 1 hour to get to where I'm going.
Oh, that's true.
Mi láti máa lọ. Àbí kò sóúnjẹ kò sí kankan. Àwọn eléyìí ń sìn kí ló máa fà? Mama rí ẹ.
All right, sis. Ẹ jẹ́ ìsinmi.
Má sí lọ, má wọrí, jókòó.
Ẹ kúlé o. Ẹ kúlé o.
Tí màá kúlé kọ́ àwọn obìnrin yìí, and look at the time tó wọlé bọ̀. Wo kan tó wọ́n torí Ọlọ́run, ó dín dín ìyàwó lé.
Máyì, kí ni problem ẹ̀ gan-an? Kí ni problem ẹ̀? Ó ṣáà ti jẹun. Àmọ́ rọ́bà kí ló ràn pẹ̀lú kan tí mo wọ̀?
Ṣó jẹ́ tí mo sè àbẹ́ tí wọ́n sè kó tó jáde lé? Moreover, mo fi pé àwọn ọmọ ti kúrò nílé. Kò sọ́mọ kan pẹ̀lú àná. We should be able to enjoy one another.
Jẹ́ má ṣe rè léṣe. Kò dẹ́kun tó jẹ́ kó digest kó yí máa rojọ́ máa pariwo. Kí ni problem ẹ̀ náà?
And let me tell you one thing. Tí ọkùnrin bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe nǹkan tí ó yẹ kó ṣe, ẹ fẹ́ pé ẹ máa sọ ọkùnrin ò dáa. Tí n bá lọ tàǹsìn tí mo mọ́mọ kékeré kan wá tó ń take care responsibility ẹ̀ ṣé nǹkan bá nínú yẹn.
Reverse! Tún sọ, wá ṣe kí ni? Bàtí kápẹ́ntà ẹ̀ láti fẹ́ fi yíyan ṣù, wá àti ta ni? Ó tó bẹ́ẹ̀, mẹ́tàlá yẹn kò tó ẹ̀. Try me.
Listen, please leave me alone. Come on. Get the fuck out of the way, okay?
Everybody's doing what they want to. So it's like we are, it's crazy where we are. Yeah. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ.
Can't wait kí àwọn ọmọ mi dé. Okay. Rice jìnnà, the chicken is ready. Anytime I like ẹja, mo ti yí láta, too serious. Today is an important day in my life. Me only wait. Jesus Christ. Yeah. What a day.
That's good. Got a man reason here. Òun wọlé òun wọ̀de torí kan tó
Kí ló tún dé máì kí ló tún dé gan-an?
Kí ló tún dé? I'll let you know kí ló tún dé. Ṣé ọmọ tó kúrò nílé yìí? School ló yẹ kó lọ. She's supposed to come in this house with a degree. Ọmọ tí mo fẹ́ kó di medical doctor, and she decided to do something else. Mo agree pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
Ẹ wo jọjọ.
Ṣé ìyàwó mi wà ṣá?
Ṣé ti rí sìn? Ẹni tó ló lóhùn tó wá mọ́ yẹn.
On this very important day you are very important to me, Goni. But why now?
Why is so damn important about these days? Ọmọ ń gbọ́kùnrin bọ̀ wá bá mi nulẹ̀, ọ̀nà wà important.
Ẹjọ́,
Please, don't do this for me. Please, enjoy.
Don't tell me don't ruin anything. This is my house, and I have every right to control what goes on in this house. I told you, T.
Just gonna park right there, okay?
Park right where?
Right here.
Where?
Does
this look like a no spot?
I don't, right now I don't even care.
It's not looking like a red.
You can pee right there.
Why are we stopping here?
Why are we not gonna stop? If you wanna pee, just go pee right there.
I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. They are rest stop. Look at the exit. They said the exit ahead. There is a rest stop, and you're stopping here.
At this point, I don't even care. If you want to pee, I've stopped over 20 times for you to pee, and we'll still go over 2 hours.
Is it my fault?
I don't care.
I
don't want to go.
You don't want to go?
Yes.
Really? You don't want to go? Let me get out of the car. I don't understand what you're saying.
Wait. Just chill. Right? Just calm down. I'm sorry. I'm just frustrated. Alright?
I don't understand.
Okay.
Why are you going to see my parents? Why is it such an issue? Is it because you think I'm cheap? Oh, so you don't feel the need to pay and respect to anyone, right? Abi? She told me to know you without knowing them.
No. Just please. Okay, now I'm just gonna be for a rest stop so you can pee. Is that alright?
Choices. Choices. Choices we make. Choices.
Daddy, Ekalesa.
Etí mi ò jí, ṣojú wọ̀ fọ́ ni, orí náà tí mo rí ni, àbí tó sì kọ́ lélẹ́yìí.
Ṣèmi sir. Daddy, ẹ má bínú pé mo fẹ́ wálé sir.
Pé wálé. By the way, ọkọ ẹ àbí fiancé whoever, who is he? Òun dà.
Òun pàtó mọ́tò mi.
This one I don't fucking like. I'm talking to my daughter. Shut up! Stand up.
Yes.
So, you were no responsible for it.
Yes, sir.
So, I heard you are into entertainment.
Yes, sir. I act and I help with video editing.
So, okay. All right. You know, I know you didn't come here to ask my daughter to marry you. Because tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, kò ní wọlé with a blown stomach.
I'm not doing so.
Eléyìí kọjá àbínú. You see, you kids nowadays, ẹ fi pé ẹ mọ gbogbo nǹkan ni. But I just pray to God to lead you in the right direction. Tosin, I just want the best for you. You know, as parents, we see things in a different perspectives.
I know, Daddy, but It's just that I have my own ideas too.
That's the problem that I have with you. When I'm talking, stop interrupting me. So, how's school?
Actually, it's fine, sir. Only have 3 more semesters to go.
That's good. And Tayo.
Sir.
Tosin is my jewel. That's my princess. Her education is extremely important to me. You know, I really want her to be a medical doctor. And she decided she wanted to be ordinary nurse. And she didn't come home with a degree being a nurse. She came home with a bloated stomach. So now I need to ask you, what's your plan? What do we do from here?
Actually, sir, my whole family lives in Nigeria, and we're already making plans. We're just waiting for the baby's arrival.
Hey, this week till that time go.
Shalewa, you know, if we will parọ́ fún mi pé o mọ nípa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí.
Ẹni bínú ni. Nǹkan ẹni di méjì kí ni wọ́n tún bí ni. Just take a look at this cute guy. Somebody looking sexy. Ṣé ni yóò lè kó ọmọ yín rẹ̀ tó cute báyìí wá sílé? Ẹ má bínú. Listen. Oúnjẹ ti ready. Let's just go and eat. Baby, yeah? I'll be right back.
Choices. Choices. We make. Choices.
But I don't understand what we're doing here.
You don't know what we're doing here.
Uh-huh.
Daddy has been woman.
And shall I
No, look, just imagine what is coming out of your mouth. And perhaps I don't even feel comfortable sleeping there. And I find it so disrespectful, even sleeping over there.
What's so disrespectful about it? Mommy ti prepare yara fún wa. Toya báyìí ló tún wá pàdé. Kí ló dé gan?
What to prepare room for? You know what your problem is? We've been driving for over 4 hours. In 4 hours, I saw the 6 hours. Don't talk accurate. Now we're here at this hotel and you're still complaining. Would you like it while I buy no? What we see any? A minimum.
Unnecessary over.
Unnecessary over? What are you doing? You need to go in the bathroom and
Choices.
No, for real.
I'm tired, Jerry.
Choices.
We're not no move fit. We show me my best when we're ready.
Choices we make. Choices. The choices are yours.
Plot of me see you down from now. And I see you anymore. You know, to go down your call of don't call of Benny.
It's everywhere. We didn't complain. Well, float him gone. Almost 5 people will call up. Could be long and unbearable.
I want to go to COVID. I want to go. I want to run. Hey, that reminds me. Back when the weekend, she looked at mommy after that you shopping.
It's good. But that is so crazy. I'm telling you, fire and be acting by the door. Being on my Fariga. I've been but it's not as I expected. But mommy, it's like you go on it.
Oh, think about you, babe.
Daddy náà ti ń dàgbà ni. Ó mọ̀ kó àwọn àgbàlagbà máa ń sọ wípé tí èèyàn bá ti ń dàgbà ni máa yóò gbọ́jà ni. Daddy ti dàgbà, Daddy gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe bí ìgbà kan ni. Bàbá ti dé jàre. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi jí mi mọ̀ date mi lẹ́nu. Ó mọ̀ pé mi nǹkan tí mo gùn sí ni ẹ̀. Jẹ́ kí tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa announce káàkiri hospital pé okay o, ọ̀rẹ́ mi fẹ́ ṣe ìyàwó, aṣọ ẹbí rẹ̀ o, gèlè rẹ̀ o, ká tètè mọ̀ kọ́tà máa ṣe pápápá kí ni date yẹn. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ìyàwó.
Kí ni? Bàbá máa rí ẹ sí náà nìyẹn. Ìròyìn bá fi pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́. Déètì kan ní ìní upload pẹ̀lú kún ìmáwá I have to deliver, then lose weight, kí wọ́n look sexy nínú wedding gown.
Ẹ̀yẹ́ ní ìdẹ̀lẹ̀ ibà, you are doing well, you are just wá babe, ṣé wàá gbọ́ òótọ́ o? Ó jẹ́ tètè ṣe nǹkan tó máa ṣe ìgbára lábúra o. Ẹ tètè lọ sí court kò ṣe nǹkan tó máa ṣe pápápá. Kí ló mí ìbáyé kò bímọ tó kò ṣe? Àwọn ọkùnrin ẹ̀ máa láyọ̀ lé. Ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ pa mí.
Ṣé ǹjẹ́ lè máa lọ sí? Àbò ìfẹ́ràn mi lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ń bọ̀ lọ dáná ń bẹ̀.
I don't understand. Ṣé bọ̀dá Táyọ̀ lè dáná lẹ́sẹ̀?
Ṣé kí ló dé? Bàtáyọ̀. Àtẹnumọ́ rẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù jọ. Ó ti tó. Ẹ máa lọ.
Mo ní kí n bèrè àǹfààní. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti jẹun la, àti máa rí ra. My baby, mo ń kí ẹ. Ayé alọ́la, drive safely because bọ̀dá Táyọ̀ gan ló yẹ kó drive mọ́tò.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Má bí kí bọ̀dá Táyọ̀ o. Ayé alọ́la. Ìyàwó ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
This movie on Netflix. Can you imagine àwọn ọmọ onílé ọlọ́nà kọ́kọ́ wọn kúrò ní Nàìjíríà tó lọ ṣe àṣẹwó ìṣekúṣe labroad?
Ẹ wò, bá má dá wọn lẹ́bi, most of them wọn mọ̀ kó táwọn lọ fún. Until tán bá débẹ̀ kán tó mọ̀ kó tó fẹ́ fi wọ́n ṣe. And again, the situation in Nigeria is bad. Everybody wanna run out.
Listen, I'm tired of the excuses. Everybody can't make excuse. Situation in Nigeria, poverty, how decent people she were Nigeria now. Tí wọ́n live wayward life by. You see, just imagine, God forbid, I
reject it. Not my kid.
I reject it because I know why okay, not now.
Yeah, no. Anyway.
No, I say, because I know every time about in there must be something that you need, that you want. I'd also say, are you sure? Check is excuse láti rí gbogbo èrèkùnrin tó máa rìn ló ń give me by.
No, now. Ṣé mo kún wà lórí? Ó lè ṣe ń lọ sí iṣẹ́. So what do you help?
You know what? My gut feeling is telling me that's not what you really want to do. But bá yẹ kó tó fẹ́ lọ ṣe nìyẹn. Ọmọ wa náà ni. But mind you, me, but I don't think I'll think about it. So,
think. Me, honest, I feel like they make a decision.
It's like we are, it's crazy where we are. Everybody's doing what you them want to. So it's like we are, it's crazy where we are. Yeah.
When my back's against the wall, you look so serious. Oh, you
Sure, okay.
Babe, I'm so tired. I just can't wait for mommy to come. Hello.
Oh, talking about that food? That was so tasty. Very, very tasty. Babe.
Yeah?
Oh, me, more business information, but it's not like you're having the baby already. And so about why I opened on our fish one.
So what are you insinuating? Chauffeur Mamini, she can help me clean, cook. Madela Tibishe, Timbadili no, ni ma pale, ni ma bale, ni ma clean, ni ma cook. Eh? Kilo she. I've come at the computer. I don't want you useless job, but on my phone. Eh? About baby, where are you? I'm busy. Boom, non bakery. So Mama did not want to see me. Mama well listening. I'm there. I'm back there. Tired. Oh. And so tomorrow, me lo ni kumawa. I'm tired. I'm kilo dish, Papa Vini.
Baby, what's it all?
Don't baby, leave this for me.
Oh, please.
I'm tired.
Please. I don't really depress myself. I'm just praying to God this coach hasn't that way.
I'm praying too. I'm praying, but I'm tired.
It's alright, stop crying, please.
I'm tired.
I know. It's alright, please. Stop crying. Stop crying, please. So you can continue. Bless you, Tom.
So how is this good going?
Oh, it's going good. I'm almost done with it.
Can I see it?
Yeah, sure.
See this life we are, it's crazy where we are. Everybody's doing what they them want to. So this life we are, it's crazy where we are. Yeah. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ. Sing it. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. 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 Yeah. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan.
Hello, Tosin. Òtútù yìí pọ̀, kò sẹ́ni kankan lè. Ọkọ ẹ̀ ò sílé, mo ti gbálẹ̀kùn. Spare key níbo? Oh, okay, hold on. All right, mo ti rí. Okay, hold on, I'm just going. Okay, ó ti ṣí. All right.
Ọlọ́run mi mọ rédíò tó ṣe insist bí àní ṣe baby shower kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́yẹn náà kí ni gan.
Baby shower. Nínú corona tá a sọ yìí, gbogbo ẹni tájọ́ ní the same bed club, none of them is having baby shower. Màá wọ́n expose ọmọ mi.
Èwo ni mèlú ẹgbẹ́ ìdọ̀gbọ̀n bíbẹ̀ bẹ̀ sọmọ tí ẹnìkan ní ṣe bọ́mọ wá ní. Ṣé bí akọ máa pe àwọn èèyàn díẹ̀ akọ decorate sí bíbá àwọn èèyàn gidi àwọn èèyàn pàtàkì á pè wọ́n adé lo mask á lo glove akọ̀wé ṣé níwọ̀nba náà ní báwo ló ṣe báyìí náà gbogbo tó o bá ti ṣe baby shower àbújá ń tẹnu mọ́ bí àjẹ́ yẹn wo mi ní àkọ́ fún ẹ tó bá dẹ̀ ṣe ń bímọ mi báyìí ní hospital máa ti máa whisper sí létí pé gbogbo sórí ìyá ẹ kò ṣe baby shower ní mi ṣe ra gift fún ẹ ìwọ náà mi lè ní àkọ́ fún ẹ kó tètè má gbọ́.
Bola, kápẹ́ǹtà ẹ̀ kò jẹ́ fi yín yọ̀ṣù. Ó ní ṣe kí ni? Baby registry máa sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀sẹ̀ǹsì. Kò yá máa pick and pick. Kí ló ṣe? Even gan-an ní mi ìná ọmọ mi orí Zoom láti máa ṣe.
Ìwọ àti ta ni?
Èmi àti pásítọ̀ àti wọn ni.
Àbárẹ̀ ò yá.
Àmọ́ bóyá o ní kòrónà, bó jẹ́ máa wọ́n máàsì wá sílé.
Àbúrí ẹ bàjẹ́, èmi jẹ́ tó ní kòwò báyìí. Kí ló ti máa ń ṣòwò ọmọ ẹ̀wọ̀n alára jọ̀wọ̀jọ̀wọ̀ yìí lọ? Tí tó jẹ́ pé mo ní face mask kì í bí báyìí.
Ṣé bí mo sọ fún yín? Kí ló ṣe? Mo sọ fún yín now, I don't understand. Kò yé mi.
Ó sìn.
Màmá wa yọjú sí yín.
Ká ló bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀rọ tó ń gbẹ lẹ́nu gbóná sókè.
Àǹtí mi ní akọ yọjú rẹ̀ kan.
Ẹnìtàn.
So anytime lè pè, o kò lè pè mí. Ó dà. Ọlọ́run bá yín yanjú ẹ̀. Ẹ ti gbọ́. Ẹ ra mọ̀.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló tún ṣe ní báyìí? Kí ló ṣe? Kí ló dé?
Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò yé mi o. Ṣé dàbí kàyéfì? Àti mo bá mọ́ mi wá bíbá, ó jẹ́ flare o.
Flare báwo? Now, ó yẹ káwọn náà mọ̀ pé ó yẹ kí mọ́mí wá pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ní condition tó wà. At least we might need help.
I don't understand. Àsìgbà tó ti kúrò lébà, ó ń wẹ̀yìn wò. And anytime I mention mommy back, oh mama bing.
I check in on me one day. But all the same, kò ní láti wá gbé gbogbo sí pé little thing wá sáré máa níjú sáré máa kọ́kọ́ sókè kí ló máa ṣe é náà nǹkan kan ni tó bá ṣáà ti dọ̀la má dájọ́ sí tó bá dọ̀la lórí ẹjọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ mo mọ̀ kí nǹkan tí ò rí lè ṣe kí nínú mi máa jẹ́ bí àwọn dẹ̀ fẹ́ kó wà ní so just calm down.
I assume she's all right. There's nothing wrong with her.
There's nothing wrong with me.
Auntie mi, ọ̀rọ̀ yín ò yé mi o. Tí n bá ti dárúkọ dádì àbí mọ́mì báyìí, ẹ kó máa bínú ni. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an?
Mo kò lè yí ẹ. Ó yé mi àti mọ́mì. But come to think of it, kí ni dádì nǹkan máa ṣe ń lé? And you haven't even put to bed yet.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yín yé mi. Nǹkan tí Tawa náà sọ nìyẹn. Mi kò dúró kí n bímọ. But you know, mommy, Emma, I just can't turn her away. You can't turn her.
Kosha makes sense to me. You still have 3.5 months to go.
3.5 months seems so long. And Tawa is already suspecting that it's twins. But I'm trying to surprise him. But this belly is selling me out already.
Oh, wow. So now, mommy ma wa lọ́dọ̀ mi for 3.5 months. Can you see privacy for what okay now?
So, yeah, I will leave in a month's time and come back when you have your baby. So,
wow. Now, wow, that doesn't make any sense at all. It makes sense. Shasha ma help Shasha.
Oh, wait for you. At least she's around. I think they will for me.
Oh, well, you invite her, go up yourself.
Then I'll starve.
Yes, open Kitayo Akpami. Let me go fix you something. Babo.
Joyces.
Come in, the door is open.
Yes.
Please. What's up?
What's up, bro?
How was your trip?
No bad, I'm okay.
Nothing. Sister,
yeah.
Meet mommy and on the other.
Yes, ma.
Sister, where?
Oh,
I was so tired.
I'm so tired.
Listen, can you please get us something to eat? Thank you.
Ṣé yẹ jẹ́ ìwọ? Ṣé yẹ ní èyí? Àti ṣé wo nínú òbí? Ṣé ajá gbé kíní yìí lọ? Jọjọ ta ló sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ ọmọ tó sọ̀rọ̀. Ọmọ tábà fi ṣe kó oṣù dànù. Tọ́wọ́ bí sáré tó pariwo òṣì. Ìwọ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Ṣọ́ọ̀kù ẹ̀ ṣá. Ṣọ́ọ̀kù ẹ̀ nílẹ̀. Mo lè ṣọ́ọ̀kù wọn kó ẹ̀rọ ọ̀gbẹ̀ kan ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kì í ṣe kó obìnrin dáadáa ni. Mo máa nà ilé náà nítorí yàrá ìyá ẹ̀dá. Àkọ́bí ni ju ẹ̀rọ lọ́jọ́ orí. Kí ló ṣe é lọ? Báwo ni ṣàṣìyàn? Ìwọ àti tani? Wọ́n sọ fẹ́mi tí mo ti jáde wá ni. Máa fi hùn wọ́n sọ fẹ́mi ìbá bẹ̀rẹ̀. Láàyò. Wọ́n èèyàn burúkú ni. Ní kíni? Ló fi ń dún àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ wake up. Wake up my friend. Àwọn ìyálà I'm sorry. Oh, what are you? Oh, come on, she's doing me like a robin. Come on, me. Oh, just get on my side.
Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan.
Mo ò bóyá ó rẹ̀. Tí o bá fi lókè tí bá fi owó mi gbẹ ní ẹnu.
I know you want to leave, but at least I told you I don't get you so goodbye to Tosin.
If I have to face Tosin again, she might hate me for what I have to say about her mother. That girl is a good girl. Her mother is devil. She's evil, Tayo.
I know, but I'm just soaked. I don't know what to do.
Then send that witch woman away. Send her away, Tayo. Send that witch away.
Auntie me, I know you have to leave, but he let you shoot. Shebo, get your drunk, get your so goodbye. See a jump to alone. Hey Joe. Hey Joe, now. People then they farabalẹ̀ now. At least I don't. Kí ni gbogbo ilé ìbá? Kí ni gbogbo ilé ìnú ilé ìbá? Ah! God.
Bí mo ṣe lọ nìyẹn o. Hey, the next day báyìí, mi rí wọn mọ́.
Wow. Wow. You ain't got go. Oh, crazy. Oh.
It's not a small issue. A day before, Teba rí bí wọ́n ṣe ń bú mọ́ mi. Iṣẹ́ ló ń pariwo, tó ń bú mọ́ mi, holding different abusive words at her. Aṣẹ́wó, slut, like, I couldn't believe it. It was so disrespectful. And I didn't know what happened.
Well, mo yọ tí wọ́n ní ni. Ó lè jẹ́ wípé maybe wọ́n mi gba boyfriend àbí wọ́n mi gbọ́kọ. Kò sí nǹkan tí mọ́mí ò lè ṣe o.
Funny. Well, we both know who mommy is, but she wouldn't stood that low. She wouldn't stood that low.
Okay.
Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò tiẹ̀ yé mi o. Mo bá Táyọ̀ sọ, kò sọ nǹkan. Mo sọ fún mommy náà, wọ́n sọ anything. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì Táyọ̀ go ni máa lọ bá to discuss it with her because she owed me an explanation for being that disrespectful to my mom.
You know better. Better. Ọlọ́run á bá yín tọ́. You get? Ọlọ́run á bá yín sort it out. Just try and take care of it one way or the other.
Wait. That reminds me. I saw your post. And I saw that cute guy.
You mean Davo?
That's me.
My new Davo? Well, that's my new boo right there. Mo ti post it everywhere. Mo ti send it to mommy or auntie daddy. Next is I'll post it on Instagram. Because I have to claim it before someone else come and claim the guy. You know how they go. And you never can tell. I don't want that story of even your boo getting boo.
You never know who is the
You never know who is the boo. So I don't want no stress right now. I can't even deal. I don't want that. So please, let me just claim it 100%. I don't want no drama.
Come on, baby. You tell me call me to parents don't get school.
Bagbe joke, bagbe your jolly.
Okay, so it's table, right?
Table it is. Okay, that's what's up.
Look at your stomach like a soccer ball. It makes you look ugly though.
Are you calling me ugly?
No, why would I say that? I'm saying you're beautiful in a pregnant way. Just like my sister Aya said the other day. She said, look what you've turned this fine girl into.
Tayo, she teases me a lot. But come to think of it, you didn't tell me what she said before she left.
What she said? She didn't say anything.
What do you mean she didn't say anything? Do you know what transpired between her and my mom before she left?
What transpired? Nothing. She didn't tell me anything.
She didn't tell you nothing?
Nothing.
I came back from work and she was screaming at the top of her voice, hurling abusive words at my mom. That was so disrespectful. And you didn't leave a good impression about your family.
And what's my family got to do with this?
You don't need to raise your voice. It's not up to that. But, you're here now. Sister, remember you may commit in the family. And for to help that way, it doesn't leave a good representation of your family.
And what makes you feel I have a good impression about your own family? Even when your sister talks, she talks from afar. And you can't even go home until you got pregnant.
Really?
Yes, really.
You don't have to go there. You don't have to find every medium to insult my family.
Really? You know what? I'm not doing this tonight.
Tayo!
I'm not doing this tonight.
That's what you're good at. You don't communicate, you don't do anything. Sometimes I just feel like I'm alone talking to myself. Any small thing, until the day was Wale. Allah Corey. Mommy! Meeting love. Mommy!
Tosin.
Ma.
Oh, no, come.
Hey, Karen.
Karen.
Okay.
Tẹ̀lé kọ̀ọ̀kan tí mo fẹ́ ìyẹn náà bí mo kò tí kàn jù àwọn máa bí mi. Mo fẹ́ sáré bèrè kankan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Kí ló ń ṣe ọkọ ẹ̀ tó ń sọ orí couch?
I got nearly 2 arguments. I don't come up with the year, but I slept off.
2 arguments.
Oh no, other.
Oh, butter saying.
Who butter? Who were you láti wá mash láti wá many things?
Check on it, butter.
No, I'm too mama.
Alright, only nice day. Go see the
I thought.
Look nice.
For me. I look nice.
Thank you, my dear.
But in my own opinion, I assure you I'll be fitting to be 10.
Why? What's the problem?
She be hello, she 50th birthday.
Yes, sir.
And she won't mash on me.
Mira, you buy my show, my young lady, what's sexy lady? What's up?
Sexy lady. I be sexy, madam. No. Well, I know I can't convince you. But I'm not open it.
And to my convince me, came out, show you, you tell him.
Tell him.
Me go more than anyway. Bolo ba mi ko ba ta mi si mo ni ko ba mi wa ni. Damn, no, see, the earlier I go, the earlier I come back.
The earlier you go, need 10-15 p.m.
You share, mom.
Yeah, let me go on lawyer. No velo dress up. No club.
Huh? You are that?
I mean, I sit there, of course.
Hello. Good luck to you. No club.
Are you sure? Babe. What do you think?
Nice. And where are you going that you have all these gowns?
The club? You and I?
Wait. You're actually going to the club?
What's so funny?
Bro, over the club, do you know they've got smoke, they've got alcohol, they've got loud music at the club? Over there, call my power, some ability. Ah, come on.
Okay, you know what, babe? How about we go somewhere else that there is no smoking or alcohol? Just chill, babe.
You know what? That would have been nice. But as you can see, I promised my friends we're going out tonight. But maybe next time we can actually make that happen.
Next time, that's what you say. Your friends always come first. Who come first? Is it me or your friends?
You know what? That's it.
Look! Tayo!
Choices. Choices we make. Oh. Choices lingai. Choices. Maria, the choices are yours. Maria, the choices.
What's up, one ferry me?
Ben, I'm not being. She going to play in country.
No, me need 30 minutes to spare. What's up?
Tayo, you should currently all done. Currently without no explanation, no nothing. But argument any pẹ̀lú mommy, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan?
So you actually came here for explanation. Anyways, you are one of the reasons why I have to leave the house.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ sọ fún mi now. Ẹ lè sọ fún mi.
You know the love and respect I have for you. No, you just can't call me. Mo, bí ṣe wà mo like àbòsí. But alábòsí ni mommy.
Alábòsí.
I'm not sorry to say it. I'm not sorry.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò yé mi mọ́. Mommy ò sọ nǹkankan. Táyọ̀ náà di ẹni. Ẹ sọ fún mi now.
Tayo is a coward. Tayo will never say anything.
Ẹ lè má bá mi bá Táyọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Má tètè bínú jù.
Tayo, okay, má bẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀ àbúrò. Má worry, ìgbóná máa kún fàdúrà. Ṣé ti gbọ́?
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Okay, all right.
Everybody's doing what they want to. So it's like we are, it's crazy where we are. Yeah. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ. Sing it. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. 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 Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan.
What holders?
Nothing. Nothing.
You know I don't like holders. No, Lushimaniya will leave to Mama rubbishy.
Is this not better than going outside?
Oh, that's your excuse?
Babe, you don't even have the strength to do all this freaky stuff. You want to walk my bembe, all this freaky stuff that I love to do. You can't do it.
You're pathetic. You disgust me.
Yeah, about me. Mommy, because mo ti ń pè látẹ̀kọ́ kò gbágbó now. Oh, okay. Well, I'm pretty sure she's there to take care of you. Kò sí nílé? Oh, I know her intention. Ó mọ̀ kúrò nílé láti rìnrìnkúrìn ni. But ìwọ ṣáà fọkàn ẹ balẹ̀. Don't worry about anything. Because she was supposed to come there to help you, to take care of you. But for her to leave you at home in the situation to what? Èmi àti ẹ̀ a máa handle yẹn ṣùgbọ́n. Okay, my dear. Okay, no problem. Bínú kẹ̀, mo bínú. All right. Okay, bá mi kọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n. Okay, bye-bye. Ṣàlẹ́wà. Kò sí bá ṣe lè ṣe ebolo. Kó má ràn gbẹ́. Ìrìnkúrìn ó ti mọ́ woman yìí lára. For her to just leave home to go take care of her daughter.
What the hell is your problem?
What do you mean, what the hell is my problem? You hardly have time for me these days. And you're barely home.
That should send you a message that I'm tired, right?
Tired? Or a bit closer. Is it from the work that you do? Or from the help you render in this house?
Oh. So now you're telling me I'm jobless, right?
That's not what I meant. Oh, now.
Stop.
I'm close to delivery. Barely 4 months.
And so, like I said, I'm tired. Let me sleep in peace. If not...
If not what? You sleep in the living room? Like you always do? What's wrong with you? If we were to be with your friends, but with me, you're tired.
You know what? Enough.
Okay. I'm sorry. My mom is here now. You'll pass some wrong message to her. You sleeping in the living room every night.
Alright, listen. Like I said earlier, I'm tired and I need to sleep in peace. I need all this nagging to stop. Thank you. That is it. Baby, you won't kill me.
I just can't get enough of you.
If I give you all of me, what will be left for your daughter?
You know, man, she ain't gonna. Most of the time, I tell you about Papa. Mama, Dad, come here.
Mabino, don't you feel some type of way about this whole thing? She's your daughter.
She is not my daughter. I'm not suffering. She's a child from my husband's mistake. And please stop calling her my daughter. Understood?
While I was young, I used to rose with my mother with a smile and ask my mother, who can I trust in this world? and she'll say, you better trust nobody on my radio. Now I know better. This life is Lord nice. A place full of hatred and no trust.
She's not.
Tosin, who did you now? I know it hurts. I know. But what condition to why to your long jaw?
You don't know the half of it. I'm hurt. I'm broken. This is not real, right? I'm overreacting. Right? It's not real. It's not funny.
No. You are not overreacting. You are not. And Utoni Wipe, reality ni Utoni.
What? You're telling me this is real? I'm not dreaming. It's happening. It's for real. Bola, look me.
And this is not your first time. I know everything. Mo ṣe lè kọ ní sọ̀rọ̀. Ohun tí ọjọ́ tí mo sọ fún ẹ pé mo fẹ́ rí ẹ pé kó wá tí mo pè ní pé pàjáwìrì. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, how are you? Má bínú pé mo pè ní pé pàjáwìrì. I know it's a weekend. I'm sorry.
Ṣé o tó láti pè mí ni? But what's the emergency? O tẹ̀ kí wá bẹ́ẹ̀ lé o àbí kí gbogbo wá bá mi tó bá ṣe tó ń bí iṣẹ́. Kò ní kí n má bọ̀ kí n má bọ̀.
Tó sì jí mi ọ̀wọ́ tí mo fẹ́ gbà ìsìn. Ó ń já mi lára jẹ. Ó ń jó mi lọ́kàn ní òun bí mo ṣe lè ṣàgbékalẹ̀.
Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ wa tóbi títí àwa yọ̀ bẹ̀ tí? Ìbọ̀rẹ̀ mi ló jẹ́ talk to me now. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Wọ́n ti pé time kan wà tí mo sọ fún ẹ pé mo fẹ́ lọ sọ́dọ̀ boyfriend mi ní ìfowópamọ́ lójú. Wọ́n ti.
Kí ló ṣe?
Níṣẹ́ ni mo máa bá wéèlì tọwọ́ bọ̀ tó gbé girlfriend.
Are you serious?
I remember. Kò kí n ṣe boyfriend mi ni mo ká kúrò bí mi. Àmọ́ bí mo ṣe rí ẹ, mi ò mọ bí mo ṣe lè gbé kalẹ̀. Mo wá láti change story yẹn wípé boyfriend mi ni mo ká pẹ̀lú obìnrin lótẹ́ẹ̀lì. Mọ́mí àtọkọ ẹ ni mo ká.
It's crazy where we are. Everybody's doing what they want to. So it's like we are. It's crazy where we are. Yeah. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ, ó ń bẹ gan. Àṣírí ń bẹ. àṣírí ń bẹ ó ń bẹ gan àṣírí ń bẹ ó ń bẹ gan àṣírí ń bẹ ó ń bẹ gan ó ń bẹ gan àṣírí ń bẹ ó ń bẹ gan.
ẹni mi ò gbà ní bí ìyá ẹ pàdé mọ́ ó ṣòro sọ fún mi kásìmí mo bó ṣe máa gbé.
Baby, what are you saying?
Tosin, just calm down. What
are you saying? You saw my husband and my mom? Bola, what did you saw for me? Under my roof, Bola. Bola, you call me. What did you saw for me? They don't leave me. Let me relieve you.
Tosin, do you know you're talking? Calm down. Calm down. Yeah. Tosin,
you knew I didn't tell me, but what to find me? Oh, my matrimony, man. What to find me? You can't even leave me.
Calm down. Yeah, no. Listen. Take it for me. Mommy, mo ti ṣe kò sí ọkọ̀ọ̀kan nílé máa pa mí o. Tó torí Ọlọ́run, wo condition tó wà. Wo tó sì nǹkan tí mi ò fẹ́ lélẹ̀ yìí ò torí Ọlọ́run ṣàánú mi o. Tó sì torí Ọlọ́run, tó sì mo gbé. Tó sì ayé ti ń gbé. Wọ́n máa lọlé. Tó sì wọ́n máa lọlé. Ní kèmí tí.
Ṣaléwá, kí ni reason tó fi tètè wálé lọ́sàn-án yìí? Ṣaléwá! I'm talking to you. Mo ń bi ẹ́ léèrè, kí ni reason tó fi tètè wálé lọ́sàn-án yìí?
Mo kàn ní kí n surprise ẹ náà.
Ìwọ surprise mi. Ó jẹ́ jẹ́wọ́ ọ̀bùn ara ẹ̀ ká dáṣọ bò ẹ́. Let me ask you a question. Kí ni ìwà àtọmọ ẹ? Kí lẹ bá fà? Inú wo ni ò bá bí ẹ tó máa sọ fún tó sì pé wọ́n kọ́ ló bí?
Ṣé kò tó sọ pé mo sọ yẹn?
Ṣé o parọ́ mọ́ ẹ ni?
Ṣé nǹkan ẹyọ kan tó sọ pé mo sọ ni?
Are you serious? Ṣé èèyàn tó torí ni? And you know, we both agreed not to let this out. Nígbà tí màmá ọmọ yìí kú, ìwọ ló decide pé o máa tọ́jú ẹ̀. And why after 27 years? Tó máa sọ fún pé ọkọ ló bí. Níṣẹ́ lọ̀rọ̀ ẹ dàbí ẹni tó fi àtẹ́lẹwọ́ tó fi ṣiṣẹ́ tó wá fẹ́ yọwọ́ dànù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ló ṣe rí.
Yes. Daddy.
Look at you. Oh, ṣé ọmọ olúwàbí ṣe kí bàbá ẹ ni? Anyway, ọkọ ẹ àti Ẹnìtàn ló pè mí.
Ẹnìtàn pè mí?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Hi, Grandpa. Hey, cousin.
Oh, Ẹnìtàn. How are you? God bless you. God bless you. To see you. Sit down. Ọmọ Ṣaléwá mo rẹ́ni kejì. Ó dójú tì mí o. Ó tẹ̀ mí lójú mọ́lẹ̀. Àti kékeré tí wàá wọ òṣì yìí. And heaven knows I tried my possible best as a single father. Nígbà tí màmá ẹ ti rí rí òṣì. And that she was never ready to be a responsible mother. Mi ò mọ̀ pé wọ́n náà tún máa mú ìwà ẹ̀ ni. Ìfúnjá ìwọ̀n náà tún jájẹ́. Now, ṣòro tí mo ṣe máa ń caution ẹ̀. Ṣaléwá, aṣọ ìkọlù wọ̀ kúrò lè. Kí ló wé?
Kí ló dé lọ, Daddy? What is it? How come me this outfit?
Wo, èmi ò tọ́ lórí gbogbo irú ìranù nínú ilé mi o. O ti gbọ́? Kì í ṣe níbí yìí o.
Bàtà kúkú lè rà fún mi. You cannot afford it.
What? What? Mommy! Wọ́n rọ lọ sílé ìwé. Wọ́n lè lo ẹ̀ ń bọ́ ẹnu ilé yìí. Just one day to sọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́rin lójú ìdákúdà yìí. You are out of your mind. Jọ́gbọ́nù.
Ẹgbẹ́ gbá mi létí.
Màá tún gbẹ́lẹ̀ kan sí.
Ẹni kó ṣàkọlẹ̀ bí mi. Kí ló dé kan náà? Nínú yàrá kan ṣoṣo láti jọjọ́ ẹ̀. I need my freedom, oh Daddy. I need to breathe. At least she's trying her own best.
Mommy, what? Jesus. Bola ti jeru.
Dad, ẹ jókòó náà.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ojú kò kọ́ lélẹ̀ yìí. Kò gba ìjókòó rárá. You see, I tried, but you will never allow me to raise you. You see, she always run back to that mother, the mother that abandoned her at birth. Kò jẹ́ kí n jẹ́ kí fojú kọ́ra ní lára mọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n, you will still blame me. Ṣé o rántí ìjọ́ tí mo wá bá ẹ tí ò sunkún? Ṣàléwá, kí ló ṣe Ṣàléwá? Ìgbà olóde látọ̀dọ̀ mọ́mí ẹ̀. Mi sọ̀rọ̀ kí lè tó ń sunkún báyìí? What's wrong?
I had an abortion.
What? Abortion? Kí ló lè ṣe?
It is not me. It was Mom. She said, since you accepted the first one, you won't accept this. And the guy did not even want the pregnancy.
Oh my God. Àfìgbà tí ìyá ẹ fẹ́ bà ilé ayé ẹ jẹ́ báyìí. Ó fẹ́ sọ ẹ́ di tàbí mo ṣe dà. But you should have told me. Ó yẹ kó bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ó yẹ kó ṣẹ́yìn ní now. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tọ̀ ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bá jọ ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ ni? Now at what age? You are not even 21 yet.
I cannot get pregnant again.
What? What do you mean by that? You can't get pregnant again?
The dog perforated my womb.
Jesus
Christ. Ó ti balẹ̀ ọmọ mi jẹ́.
Okay, Shalewa. Take it easy. Now, níbo ni o ti rí oògùn tó fi ṣẹ́yún?
Mommy ni.
Your mommy? L'Amẹ́ríkà yìí? Níbo ló ti rí oògùn tó fi ṣẹ́yún l'Amẹ́ríkà yìí? Níbo ló ti rí? I see. Oda, you can listen. Sori, ọjọ́ tí ojú bá rí bí, ọjọ́ náà ni bí wọlé. I am calling the cops right away. She has to explain. Bí tó ti rí oògùn tó fi ṣẹ́yún tó gbé fún ẹ, á ṣàlàyé. No wonder tó fi kí wọ́n wá sí ilé òun every week wọ́n á lọ sí kankan. Thank God. Ó bí ọmọkùnrin ọmọ ẹ náà ní ẹni tọ́ yìí. But what did you do? Nígbà tí ọmọ ẹni tán pé ọdún méjì, ó gbé sílẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ sá lọ. After 2 years, ó padà wá. Ó mú ọkùnrin wá pé ètò fẹ́fẹ́ ni. Ó dẹ̀ ìgbà ẹ̀ tọwọ́ tẹsẹ̀. Mo lọ ní ìjọ yẹn o, mo bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ọkùnrin pé ṣé o mọ ẹni tó fẹ́fẹ́ yìí? Ó lọ́wọ́ mọ́. Okay. Ó gbà ẹ́ pẹ̀lú àgbélébùú ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ lọ́wọ́.
Oh my God, you forgive me. And I've tried my best. Oh my God, mo ṣe mistake. Mo beg by you, go forgive me. I made a mistake.
Ó ní ìdàlàyé tó ń ṣe yìí. Ọmọkùnrin yìí gbà láti fẹ́ with all your flaws pẹ̀lú gbogbo àgbélébùú ẹ̀. Kí ló wá sọ? Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ you are never submissive. Ọmọ tí à ń wí ọmọ tí obìnrin bí ń tọ́ sí tó o gbà láti tọ́ láti kékeré. Ṣé mo lọ́wọ́ sọ sí pé kì í ṣọmọ ẹ? Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká fọwọ́ wa ṣiṣẹ́ ká fọwọ́ bá sílẹ̀ ìlọ́wọ́ ká fi dànù.
I'm so sorry. I love you.
You are sorry. You are sorry, Abikile Soye. Mommy, you are sorry. Ta ló sọ mí lórúkọ. Ta ló wẹ̀ mí ní kékeré. Ta ló gbé mi jọ. Tó ń wò mí lálẹ́ kí n bá lè sùn. Mommy, all this and more. What makes you my mother? What did you do? You threw it away just to satisfy your libido. I'm a nui. And it took for me lóyún. I'm a nui. Tí o tó ẹgbẹ́ ẹni tán. Tí o tó ẹgbẹ́ tí ilẹ̀ máa bá sùn.
Then if that is the reason why you said she's not your daughter, then let me know me on Shomoni. No. I bet think bad Benny. That's why I didn't bring any man home. That's why I left home.
I'm sorry.
It's a for you, Grandpa.
I'm so sorry, please.
If you are excused for sleeping with a man that impregnated her is because she's not your daughter, then me no more show money. Grandpa! Daddy, I can't take this anymore. Mommy, forgiveness is divine. Please don't say anything. I'll do the last of me and share me this way. Finding out this way is heartbreaking. I'm broken. Let's go! Daddy, thank you. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't say it.
Shalewa. Oh my God. Kí ló ṣe? Hello? Hello, yes. Please, yes, it's my wife. She's unconscious. I just found her laying on the floor. I think she must have taken some pills. Yeah. 2429, Hazel Drive. Yes, please, hurry up, please. Shalewa, come on, baby, wake up! Oh, God. Oh, shit. Come on now, Shalewa. Baby, come on, wake up!
Listen. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? After everything I've done for you? My mom of all people? My mom!
I've known her before I met you.
Does that make it right? Does that? I showed you her pictures a million times. You didn't tell me nothing. Also anything for me, Arakonye. Why would you do that?
Because you were pregnant and I don't want to lose you.
Oh, don't want to lose you, right? And I don't want to lose you. Don't want to lose anything. And when you're not so, most of you don't appreciate what you have until you lose it. Or lose that, or lose it. Or no, I didn't that. You want more people. More than suffering, you have to suffer. More than you put when you're there with the cold dada. So I keep going effective for no to come on. You blame me for it to pull it for because I'm paying no, but that's so you have to buy that voice. And then you learn to look what that. Oh, I didn't know what I mean. Mom. What? Already, what I don't want to go possibly. What's your level?
You don't want to lose me. Well, you're not the one to decide for me. I choose to either stay or go. You should have told me. But you're wicked. I gave you everything. My heart, my soul. You broke my heart. Oh, Shisha was Shabo. Nínú Lui, màá tún lọ síbi iṣẹ́, màá tún délé, màá tún sọ́jà fún ẹ. Onírànú ẹ. Career tó ti kú tán. I supported your career. I gave up my education for you. Still, what did you do? You betrayed me. You're wicked. You're wicked. You're a wolfish. And I regret never missing you.
And the conversation, you had destroyed me, oh no. I wanted to stop, I couldn't.
Stop. You didn't stop. Bolo balloon. You just stop. Oh, babe, what did you want? Baby, you see what to come there? To me because you go back. You walk of all people. You want what the baby don't want to be there for you. Wọ́n sọ pé òní kan náà ló jà láti ṣe oríire díẹ̀. Ìwọ tó wá fẹ́ ṣe oríire díẹ̀ nínú wọn yín. Ìwọ náà ti wá wà ìwà oṣù. Yóò ti ẹ̀lẹ́ wù àwọ̀dẹ̀ ó ti ń jẹun. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi wò. Ọ̀gá wò. I'll get out. Tayo, get out.
Please.
Get out.
What about the babies? I know they.
What babies? Yeah, okay. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Would you get out now?
Ojúkọ̀rọ̀ la fi ṣàwọn onímẹ̀sí Oòduà. Ọ̀bẹ ni máa wọ obìnrin òwúrò.
Are you ready?
Hello, sir.
I lose mommy.
Are
you serious? Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ ṣá.
Ayọ̀mídé tèmi, wọ́n náà pàfẹ́sọ́nà ti wọ́n ni.
Ọ̀rẹ́dẹ̀ wúláwọ́jú. Ọ̀rẹ́dẹ̀ wúláwọ́jú.
Nínú rẹ̀ ti wá pẹ̀lú yín kúrú, ọ̀fà fẹ́ ti tẹ̀yìn bu igi. Ìwà wọn gbé náà wá wojú iná. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé òwe jẹ́ wọn lóṣù? Òwe sáṣọ rẹ̀ ṣòro.
Agbẹ́dọ̀. Ìdárò ẹgbà mi bí mo ṣe ń wo yìí, ó dàbí ẹni pé ejò ti náwó nù.
Kí ló ń mú ṣe é bí ọmọ ejò yìí?
Irọ́ lọ́la! Èmi mo lórúkọ tí kú jẹ́. Ayé lọ kítíkítí lórúkọ tí wọ́n pe ikú. A sì wọ́n làkàlàkà báyìí lórúkọ tí wọ́n pe àrùn.
Ẹni àìjíire ni àìjíkò ni ẹ̀.
I can't
of my money. I don't even have money for sickness, like I used to say.
Maybe we don't come at a jar, they cannot you understand now? You know what? I'm near the bed. I will help you. What do you let me? Baba mi majo. Tí bá lè tún lẹ́gùn bàbá mi òjò wọ́n kí n tiẹ̀ bí ó àǹtí. Kí ni? Bí ti bá wo. Bí ti bá wo.
Ó yà pátá rẹ̀ lọ ti létí ìwọ àbí. Tó bá lè ti pẹ́ lójú dúdú ẹ̀ máa ṣú. Sọ pé ojú ó máa ń jẹ́ kí ọpọlọ weak. Ọpọlọ ẹ̀ ti weak. Àwọn náà ti gbọ̀, ó sì ti rí ń gbọ́ngbọ́n náà ń gbọ́ngbọ́n.
Like we are, it's crazy where we are. Everybody's doing what they them want to. So it's like we are, it's crazy where we are. Yeah. Ashiri mbe, umbe gone. Ashiri mbe, umbe gone. Ashiri mbe, umbe gone. Ashiri mbe, umbe sing it. Ashiri mbe, umbe gone. Ashiri mbe.